Hi guys, for today's video, you only need a few supplies. You'll need some disposable cups. As you can see here, I got these from Giant for $1.64. You'll need a canvas. I actually got this at Michael's using a 50% off coupon. And I got some acrylic paint. You'll need all three of these for this project. The acrylic paint is $2.99 depending on how many colors you want to use. It'll probably cost you around $6, and if you use a coupon at your local arts and crafts store, you can get a pretty good deal. So I'm going to show you two different methods on how you can make these paintings. The first method I'm going to show you here is the cup method. It's pretty simple. You'll definitely need white acrylic paint as your base color. As you can see here, you'll want to put that in first before you add in any other colors that you decide to do. So once you put in the white paint first, you'll add in all the other colors that you want to use. Depending on your canvas size, that'll kind of determine how much paint you use. You can always go back and redo it over. It's not a big issue if you don't put enough. So I would just do that. After you finish adding in your colors, you want to add the last paint color, which is white. You want to do white at the bottom as the base and white as your top coating here for this cup method. As you can see, the white kind of disappeared in there, but it's okay. You want to do white light. So now what you want to do is take the canvas and lay it on top of the cup and then flip it over. And now after this, you just pick up the cup and let all the paint pour out. And then you can move it all around by picking up the canvas and trying to get the colors all around. So it's almost like a free form type of painting when you do this method. Now the next method I'm going to show you here is the pour method. You're just basically pouring all the paint in the center of the canvas here. I'll show you the end results at the end so you can kind of get a better idea of the different styles we have here. So basically what I'm doing is just pouring all the colors that I have right in the center of this canvas and just letting it all go together. As you can see, I still kind of did that same white coat as the base and white coat as the top coat as well. And I'm basically doing the same thing I did before, just moving the canvas around. Just so you know, it gets really, really, really messy. I had to wash my hand like 3 times. I should have wore gloves when I did this, but hey, that defeats all the fun out of this. All right, here's the end results. This is the cup method style, and this is the pour method style. As you can see, the with both methods, you kind of get a different pattern here. I mean, it won't always look like that, but you'll kind of have a general idea of what will happen if you try either method. So this step here is optional. Basically, I had to wait until my canvas dried. It took around 48 hours to completely dry here. And as you can see, the texture changes when you use acrylic paint. It's not as shiny as it was when we first put the paint on. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a high gloss paint finish on top of it just to give it that glossy look. So this is the finished project. It'll take about a couple hours for this gloss to dry. But it definitely gives that shine and it gives the colors a good pop out. And this is kind of a cool piece you can do just for fun if you want to add some color into your room. I have really plain walls and I thought I could add something cool on here and show you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you would like more, please comment down below. Let me know and I'll find some other cool things I can show you for your home decor. Bye guys.